maybe the FMS.
I think the FMS setup would work good in it. I just didn't have one.
Well, that motor was a drop in fit.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, the motor was a drop in fit, so.
Yeah, and I had 2 of them at home already, so. Yeah. It's a happy bird. Alright, let's go. I think I turned it on. I hate this. I keep forgetting if I turned it on or not. I did. If this thing's bouncing around, the 104 is going to look horrible.
Alright, keep spinning down.
Okay.
It cooks with that fan.
Yeah. It's really easy on the motor, which is what I like the most. Stock ESC, yeah. It's just a 6S.
Yeah, it just looks so horrible before I set up.
Yeah.
Barely flies.
Alright, let's turn the gyro off. Let's see what it does. Looks fine even with the gyro off.
Gyro initialized.
Yeah, the nose wheel. I don't like that. I saw a plane over there. It is. It's a glider.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, it's a good day for that. Yeah, I'm soloing it, huh?
Cool. On the glider?
If the weather's good, the plane is my birthday.
Cool. Can you actually get you can't get your license till you're 16 though, right?
16. But then it'll just be easier because then I'll have all the hours built up.
Right. Can you take the test and everything now?
The written, I think that is still. Well, there's like a pretty solo written, like the big like test is like well, and then you gotta check.
Check right.
That's mainly what I'm doing now when I fly. I just have to test prep stuff.
Yeah. Have you done cross country or anything yet?
No, well, because I fly in the morning, we don't have to thermally.
Oh, not that. I mean, your plane with the regular plane.
Oh no. My mom still has to do that too. She's still solo and everything. No, but yeah, the cross country is actually all certified.
With the glider?
Yeah, or with the regular. I don't know what it is with gliders. Gliders mostly just depend on
thermal.
Yeah, on how far you can go.
30 seconds.
Okay, landing.
Gear down.
I like these steep approaches better.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Alright, I'm coming in right now.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh. Come on in.
Flaps up.
You're clear, come on. German, isn't it? Yep, it is. Or is it the Waco? You're right, it is. Those old radios.